Hi, this is Elena Nichols Travel Mysteries, and today I'm taking you for adventure. Me and my fellow mystery author going for taking a wilderness surviving course from another local author. We'll see what happens. Добрый день, это детектив путешествия Елены Никел, и сегодня я беру вас с собой. У нас будет небольшое приключение. Мы с одним автором детективов, еще с одним нашим местным автором детективов, участвуем в курсе по выживанию на природе. Специальные типа лекций будут у нас еще с одним писателем, нашим местным писателем. Поэтому посмотрим, что получится. During surviving, lots of berries on the edge of the forest because they want sun, and that's like with that mountain ash and everything.
Forest and clearing, because a lot of the berries at this time of year likes the sunshine and likes to be on the the edge of the forest. So we're going to kind of sneak around this way, and then we're going to start looking about how to find water. You know how dry it's been here?
Aspen.
After that, I just added up the ended like this one spoonful of the sourdough starter to the bread, and it was lovely. Nicely risen loaf, and it tastes good. So
Aspen.
But in order for it to
White
rise,
power is
you
sunscreen,
would need like regular flour.
or you can start the sourdough.
But you could, if you were finding lots of grains and you're making your own flour.
You can use make a tea out of the bark of aspen, birch tree, or a willow, and it helps against headaches.
That's all good.
It is very important to know. Many evergreens are excellent source of vitamin C to prevent scurvy, except for yew plant. This is poisonous. Don't eat it. And this is the willow?
Yeah, that's the type of willow. And the willow, is that the same one here? Okay. Right, yeah. And willows are usually a sign that there is water nearby. So if you look,
There is a big pond there.
yeah, it's usually pretty soggy here in the
And the
spring.
Saskatoon
So
berries.
yeah, so if you're here and you're like, okay, I need to find water. Amazing plant. It has so many.
It's a cattail, and you can eat inside the stem as well, but have to be careful where you pick it up. It's kind of like absorbent.
Of food. Like if say we were. Yeah, they drop the seeds. Like often it's the hard to find it. Once the planting is dropped, the seed is almost all over. So sometimes when you have if you've had a big windstorm and things are falling down, you could often find planting the seeds. You take it inside like wood.
This is the shelter we built together, and we use the birch tree bark to cover it for the waterproof, and we're using this to make mats. And this is how it looks like. And this is a beautiful forest we just built a shelter in. It's a nice hazelnut tree. And lots of stuff to eat in the forest if you know what to eat. It is very beautiful, and it will help you, it will feed you, and help you survive in it.